Hello, hello. It is Zach with Right Hire Consulting, coming to you with daily tips and tricks to grow your small business, embrace your social media brand, and make great new hires. Today, I'm going to be wrapping up a topic that I've been going over the last week, and that's effectively networking on social media, such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, you name it. Um, this is going to be a few different topics I wrap into one to close things out. It's going to be a little action packed, so hang on tight. But first and foremost, I want to kick it off with get comfortable with the different search features on whatever form of social media you're using, whether it's Boolean strings, hashtags, categories and industries. I know I love LinkedIn because of how seriously targeted and specific you can get. But whatever you're on, get comfortable with it. If you don't know what Booleans are, learn to be really good and effective with your Boolean searches. And dive right in, right? You want to be searching and networking with a purpose. So as long as you're doing that, you're gonna be bumping elbows with the right people. And don't be afraid to really go out and ask for help and support, because most people are looking to kind of give out some free game and help you along in the process. So don't be nervous, don't be scared, and at the same time, don't be nervous to offer your service and your expertise to people, because there's people out there who need the help, they need the word of encouragement. So be proactive, take initiative, reach out to people in your network, ask for referrals, do all the little things you can to make sure that you're in the right place at the right time and you're seizing the opportunities that are available. So that's what I've got for you today. This is Zach with Right Hire Consulting. Definitely check in on some of the previous posts. I've been offering some great tips and tricks to really grow your social media brand, engage better on social media, and network a little bit smarter. So for more daily tips and tricks, follow Right Hire Consulting for more.